Welcome back to MotriX, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance machinery. Today, we are taking a comprehensive look at the Audi RSQ8, a vehicle that masterfully bridges the gap between a family-sized SUV and a track-ready supercar. This isn't just another luxury cruiser, it is Audi Sport's most powerful combustion SUV to date, and for the latest model year, it has been refined to push the limits even further. Under the hood lies a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, which is paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system to ensure that performance is both explosive and efficient. In its standard form, this powerhouse produces an impressive 591 horsepower, but for those seeking the pinnacle of Audi engineering, the RSQ8 Performance variant steps things up to a massive 631 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This translates to a blistering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.1 to 3.4 seconds, depending on the configuration, which is a figure that puts many dedicated sports cars to shame. Power is sent to all four wheels via the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission, providing relentless grip and seamless shifts. The exterior design of the RSQ8 is a masterclass in aggressive elegance. The facelift brings a revised honeycomb grille, darkened HD MotriX LED headlights with optional laser light technology, and striking new OLED taillights that offer customizable light signatures. The silhouette remains that of a sleek coupe SUV, sitting on massive 22-inch or optional 23-inch forged alloy wheels that fill out the flared wheel arches perfectly. To keep all that power in check, Audi has equipped the RSQ8 with an adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering for better agility in tight corners, and active roll stabilization that keeps the car incredibly flat during high-speed maneuvers. Stepping inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of high-tech luxury and sporty intent. You are greeted by RS Sport seats wrapped in perforated Valcona leather with honeycomb stitching, which are both heated and ventilated to provide maximum comfort. The dashboard is dominated by Audi's dual-screen MMI touch response system, featuring haptic feedback and a secondary screen for climate controls. Drivers are treated to the 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit, which includes RS-specific graphics like a shift indicator and G-force meter. Audi hasn't skimped on the auditory experience either, offering a 17-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system as standard, which can be upgraded to a 23-speaker system for an even more immersive experience. What truly sets the RSQ8 apart is its dual personality. With the Audi Drive Select system, you can choose between 8 different profiles, including the customizable 1 rupee and 2 rupees modes accessible directly from the steering wheel. This allows you to transform the car from a quiet, comfortable daily driver into a loud, aggressive beast at the touch of a button. Whether you are hauling groceries or attacking an apex, the Audi RSQ8 remains one of the most versatile and capable vehicles on the road today. Thanks for joining us on MotriX, and we'll see you in the next one.